Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time where the video go meet so. Now, una mommy day for year. The almighty mother hen. Mommy be in the building. The only mommy for 237 media space. The oldest woman for 237 media space. 70 years old mommy. Now me, I should don't forget. Why? Now wait till I work, I could call my name all over the place. No. See, when I feel say last year I sacrificed for una for this social media. I put in my all. That is I get that time again here. I no get her. I no get this year when I begin to join me with the dance. At the dance they enter 2022. Because the testimony they plenty. So the earlier you join me, the dance they celebrate with me so that you go tap from the blessing, the better for you. That time and all. When I don't have one of my page here, but they still struggle for sort her out. I wait me my IT. When my IT know they less busy, he go enter inside, sort her out for me. Now wow. I beg before I continue this when I know what I use Whitney Ryan Beauty Care. I beg. You want to remain young, forever young like Mommy B. You see me? No makeup, no lipstick, nothing. If you want to be like me, forever young, beautiful Mommy B. I not only beautiful for my face, I'm beautiful for my skin go down. I'm beautiful inside my heart. If you want clean, because Whitney Ryan name, it'll change you. If you been a person where you over carry people for heart, Whitney Ryan Beauty Care will remove those people that for your heart. When I say as me, I don't know. Easy to forgive, easy to move on. All picking them, I'm picking them. So if you use Whitney Ryan Beauty Care, go help you for that part then too. Where you go, the wider I'd always put a smiling face. I'm a happy woman. I'm forever happy. Nothing means anything to me. Nothing. Nothing. Una wala with the 237 media space it bad. At the years so even so auntie them. Let me say at the Lady B I beg. Lady B don't teach me so I wanted to do my YouTube why I really be happy. Thank you so much, baby. Thank you. Say they help mommy bring. I say, Lady B, I watch your video. Now what did they happen? Now to be that one now to mommy to that Now who that me I never ever see me that person. Now way. Do na me just would get kind people So that be the talk me mommy be I auntie come up for social media so because of other auntie where you wanna even before independent. So because of other auntie when before independent every day. When I see those things me now so I don't get time for that just all those things because I don't even want to go deep into. I just want to talk on one thing for you. It come to my attention say some people they talk say mommy B the talk say one take queenship give for Brenda blah blah blah. Now I don't even know someone that come out all the kind of story them. Dopest a queenship be given for Dopest by Cameroon Career Women Award. Would host Cameroon Career Women Award again this year for October. So the nomination go on link go come when I go nominate who I want to be queen. If I see Dopest where I know say Dopest overdo good, it don't handle a queenship well. I need talking to because I'm a picking. From what way to go on social media, it don't handle a queenship well. It derail sometimes because it's still young for age. Or sometimes they childishness they enter it. A Chinese they take over it. Especially people when you understand how it go, all that kind of thing them. So it make sometimes they derail, but it don't really do well. It don't do well. Person not be 100%, but it don't do them. It don't try. Even if we put voting for next year. So for October, now I don't can inbox me when I be worried. When I talk so, mommy bring no, I want to take queenship. Blah, blah, blah. No, mommy bring a take queenship. When I go vote, voting will come. We'll get king. We'll put kingship. We'll put queenship this October for YouTubers. So now so it go day. So me no man be teacher so they don't Brenda don't come now. They want no Dopest for the moment. It's still maintain the queenship till October. After October ending, if you no win, then that time they give a person will win. So una no begin to be derail. Una begin understand some of these things. Una begin to understand some of these things. Life be so short for all this drama. Una just begin to enjoy le me no. Una begin to enjoy le me. Una begin dance le me. I don't talk say we are dancing into 2022 with a lot of testimony. A lot and lot and lot of testimony. All my picking the way to go Dubai. Next month, when I go make sure so we will meet for Dubai so that we will share some good time. My children in Dubai, I'm coming with a surprise. Big surprise when I come with some person. Well, I don't say it will be a surprise for so many people. But I don't understand. Mommy Brie, when I join me celebrate, a lot of good things that they happen. A lot and lot of good things. When I see what on a drama on social media, I know I address on certain things and the way I go address and but not be now. I don't hear Lady B video they talk about my address. What are the address now? Wait to I never still know. I don't see some small write up over social media where I just fling my eye. I see my picking dope through the case for that one side with the own write up them. I never really go through them. So I know if talk what it actually happened, but I just hear the cocoa name all over the place. I never know me what we do. He be celebrity, no what a celebrity I call it. He no be celebrity, I mean he be queen. So they call a name all over the place. I don't know what we do. But except they will come to my knowledge for what we do, then I will know. But if not for call the person in normal no. Everybody the one get view through the person no. In normal for say they call a name no. That one be normal say they call a name, but I go dig for no way to where they call a name for. I go dig for no way to where they call a name. But if not that one for call a name, they always call a name no. They always try for distract you. They always try for take it out of it. The normal things the way they do. They always try for taking me go. We start do things the way not supposed to do them. But by the grace of God, me I be so busy. I don't tell when I say me, even for watch this thing there so for social media, I need to watch at me. I be overgive in my time last year for this thing for social media because I want me stop me blackmail stop and when stop I want move fear for people them. I fight them. Fight them so they be if they can't help me there after positive blog and they come. I fight them. So any man where they come up now for the one talk rubbish, I don't get time for answer now. When I come up na next day can talk rubbish, when I see that time I be the vax, I will vax una control so all una life say just vax una. When I get on a lucky say now, most of una they come up, they can't talk, they go una mob them. Where me, I don't get time. I got only one show, heavy show, give a day for that my sister for America and me. I get a one heavy show. They don't try for beg me. People don't try for beg me, so my picking for Dubai. One of my picking for Dubai don't try for can't call me. They talk to me, say, Mommy, bring no, the one that doesn't know they again, the one that doesn't know they go. No, I don't tell you, say me leave that one down to my sister. Anyhow we do, we'll fix her for family. So when I leave auditing them, I say, no man, no human being on this planet Earth, no fit stop me from doing what I'm doing. No man, no human being, no fit stop me. God know my purpose. I fight for woman them. I fight. Any man with the look of a own way, me look am. All women are not supposed to like me, no. Be normal, no. It be normal, say no be all man get for like me. It be normal, say people then the way they go look, my fight for woman then in their own way. When I see some people they open their jaga mouth them. That jaga mouth they talk say me, I they bring down women them. Now only God, I don't say God of vengeance never even start with una for the community. God of vengeance never start with una. When I see white, when I call them black. Spirit of lie don't enter inside una so they blind una eyes them. Una not ever talk true. Hypocrisy, una flop all over the place. Hypo there for una all over the place. Tell them the cause BJ Benjamin put on there for your head. Design me poster, put on there for my head. Do all kinds of things. It be normal. It was very normal. When I want do for other woman, they start talking. Hey, they want bring woman and down. Bring woman and they quarrel una for that play una day. I never see not. I know one woman like me. One, two, and I don't know. When people they never start hating, I mean never start doing nothing. I don't want your love. I don't want your like. Una no like me. I go remain. I go still. Una no go change me. I go remain mother hen, the almighty mother hen, and I go still remain the only mommy. 237 social media space, the biggest mommy where they exist. So anyhow, when I want put her me, when I put her, I don't pretend. I don't fake. I need live fake life, and I need fake friend, and I need fake love. Anything fake, no there for my corner. Anything lie, no there for my corner. I don't lie. Yeah, no. Now why the people they lie no fit be around me? Because I can't stand people who lie. So when I just carry that on her thing and go, when I no like me, when I hate me, I find someone that crane me. A beautiful woman, beautiful from here to Jericho. God make my heart clean so devil. Now why that devil look me the fear? Now why that devil no fit stand? Now why that devil do all kinds of things? When I get sleepless night, when I calculate who go do this, who go do video this time, who go do video the other time. When I calculate, who did mama me? Who did calculate that kind of thing? Them me. I don't fit them for no group. Oh. I don't for no group because I don't get that time. I don't feel like me right. I don't like me people they begin to send me message group. You for group. No. I don't for political groups. That one they different because I live there because of a particular reason, and they put me for day. Joma they sitting there, they go one if you see me. Now why did they put me for day? Because they know some they want to take me go. Apart from that, so I beg when I see me so I don't get time. I don't get time for nothing now we concerned with social media drama. But my studio day, so anytime I want to go for studio, I go climb for my table, do it I want to do. But I don't have time. I've been overgiving my time last year. My book, The Woman in Me, finish because of doing a social media. If I don't finish by now, so I don't have time. My assignment is day for school. I need to finish them. I don't have time. I have businesses full my hands. I get business full all over the place. I get up every day by 5 o'clock. I don't wake up. I don't start doing one thing or the other. I come sometime for night. That's why I go shoot on. They still do one call or the other. So business they do for country. They do different time frame them with me. So it makes some time that they woke up too early. Make some time that I sleep too late. So when I see me, I don't get time. Most of the time, even the people that let be their video, they short hot box them, people they push a short video them. Most of the time, they say, when I drive, I put them, I do the drive here, and even watch I do the year na here, because I don't get time. Even Dopesi video yesterday, there was no time. I don't watch them. I don't watch Dopesi video yesterday, because I don't get time. But I come for night, I can't put them for downstairs. I leave it on me just day the whole night, just for give you watch hour. But I don't watch them, because I don't get time. So I beg ya, when I take it easy, either when I join me with the dance. I have a very big God, oh, he's always by my side. A very big God, oh, by my side. You better join me the dance song. Join me with the dance enter 2022. So that me your testimony they be bigger than what you people they see them. So that me these people the way they talk. You know say for kill your enemy, now for always the win. For kill your enemies, for make them die. Make their belly they bite every day. They are success. The more you succeed, the goal, the more your enemies cry. The more you succeed. So don't let your enemies feel say they succeed for you. No. May your success speak for itself. May they see it. When they see that time I go to Dubai, I go do this thing, they craze. The whole social media. Even time I fly go for first lady for Sierra Leone, that's how you treat people. I fly go for first lady, so I go stay for presidency, the one die. You see all the social media may say, so that actors know what happen. Actors know what happen. Now what really happen? People look at me as success. Me as success. Una no worry. From this January, I go start push my success so for una nose for social media. Let me say the one I go jam una face the woman success. I go jam una face. First time that I need do it, but this time when I see am from January, I go that thing. You see me, I only be for office, do this show. This time them from January, I want to see my success. I go shut up all una mob then on my success. I don't get time again for una. No time for the wicked. And you people will never find peace. There will be no peace for the wicked. Except when I see white collar and black. All the hippo people them. All the one day they declare they are the cosh. They do cosh. They do cosh. The people that they cosh. People that the big people that family for outside. People that the big people that mommy, their papa, they are everything for outside. When I need to see them. When I need to see them. Hippo go kill una. When I see me, I don't get time. Now my success. All my picking them. New year resolution. Work hard. Let your success speak for you. No be useless. Let your success. Use your success. I don't say this 2022 now will kill me. Because the way my success go blow for when I face them, I don't say most of when I just I don't enter nyungo. The way my success, I go blow my success for when I face in the 2022. I don't go do that time again where I talk say, no, I don't like me, they no say, I don't like me, they no say. 2022, I will blow my success in front of you people with proof. Then when I see the light of God for my life, some of when I would talk say, the mommy be, I be need for following no road. I know what with 2022, I go get so for na pack. Una no die you. Una no die. Let my enemy live long to see the grace of God in my life. God said, I will set a table for you in front of your enemies. And next year, you people will see that table. And some of you go beg me for dying on top that table of success. With God, don't give me. I was born great. Since from small, they be done the talker. So I was born great. You know how many times, how many people don't talk that talk with the same way they worker. Was small, hold my hand. They asked me my auntie, they said, "I born the pikin." I was born great. The only thing they used to talk and say, I got to be careful with my friends because they make me, they'll kill me. And whether now so the jealousy too much, I dey see them. Let me say, I dey just see all those things that they be talking me that small. I dey see how they do unfold. Where I never even start the show now my success. Thing that God don't do for me, Thing that God don't do for me for this short time where He carries, He move people them from my corner. He drive people them from my corner. He drive them say, Papa God, you are too much. Papa God, you are too much. Now, really just when God want change your story, when He say some certain people they don't carry the weight, He take them away any way you want to take them. This time we God drive. Now, what I told you, this way I social media, me, I just say praise God with them, because God used that situation for brightening my light. God used that situation for giving me giant connection, them, giant deals, giant contracts. Hey, Benjamin. 2022, as I go the flat, I go choke inside when I knows them. When I go learn for start celebrate people when they be successful. So that when our own days could be successful. So that God when I go tap from that blessing. When you celebrate with people, that's how God go add your own blessing. When I don't always there for one struggle for bring people down, when I learn to celebrate people. If you really want to be successful in life, if you really want to be happy, learn to celebrate people. Say, all my picking the one that follow me for back, I beg. One thing when I get for learn them, learn to celebrate people around you, learn to celebrate your friends, learn to celebrate, make people happy. Even if you don't get money, there are ways you can still celebrate people. Cherish them. Put them on social media, write nice things about them. Celebrate them. When you celebrate people, God will celebrate you. Now the mistake I don't see my page. I always celebrate people. Even though I do a nonsense of when I do and now when I go take people that I celebrate and they coach them, I always celebrate people. Every time I celebrate women, celebrate people. When you celebrate people, God changes your story. My blessing there. I didn't even look at the time and so I'm confused. And I can't talk. Because person they leave. I not be designer baby or I not be that get a live fake like drag designer back. Designer. No. No. I be entrepreneur. They don't hear no. Una should done for them. Because the work a cosh. People don't go right up there when they cosh them. How would I want to go up there? Even the cosh bar way don't really go up. How you think so if you ever reach that up place? You can never. You go only chop na this small money they wanna piece when I get up for saga. With the money na no money. You not even reach one person 1 day salary. When I for them na the queue na say una money for 1 month for that on a dirty saga. You know reach some people that 1 day salary. Like the queue na say, hey God, queue na say destroy una future. Destroy with Africa we get plenty family. You don't even know who we get cousin. You don't even know where you go pass on them meet up. You don't be like some cousin for some person we don't call for social media. When I continue, I never see nothing. While I dey like people the way they no one know their direction. God don't expose all things so all things don't be clear. When na time for all man for repent, follow the right direction. Some of us still inside the same pot soup. Well, I'm not getting a lot of talk even time. All that I can't tell now. So when I continue for the celebrate with me because let's dance into 2022. Let's dance into 2022. I don't stand my page. They don't hack my other page. That page where my husband did Mama G and me for profile. I don't create my page, Minister Mrs. Bridget Benjamin. Now my page that way from January, I will go live now for day. BBTV go to upload movies. And then from tomorrow, this week, inside the week, before Friday, I'm sure before Friday, I go load one of my movie. I'll start load my wife TV series part 1 for BBTV on YouTube. I'll start load my movies then. We then continuously will load movies and the one that will start on Nigeria, new one then. But I'll start load the old ones and first. They come so that old one they play on they never watch them, can never put them into the public. So I will start load them as from this week. So when I begin clap for me, God don't bless me. Benjamin. Let me say the way they sitting there. Let me this contract for Sierra Leone, contract for this side, contract. I beg. Follow who no go do. Follow who no go do. Follow who no go do. Follow who no go. See, now who be your inspirator? Now who then be the people the way you look up to? Ask yourself that question before you finish watch this video. Ask yourself that question. Say, now who are the follower? Now who are the look up to? What do they have? How are they inspiring me? Why me have to learn from them to become a change? What did I have to take from them to change my own life? Ask yourself that question. Now other go live for now. Say, ask yourself that question. When you get answer, then you can write that under for you for comment. But before you come over this video, I beg. If you never subscribe. If you never like, I beg, try like the video. If you even let me share, why you comment under for tell me now who them be your inspirator? Which of the women do you hope for be like them or even past them? You want to be like Michelle Obama? Michelle Obama and people you look up to. Oprah. Who are you looking up to? Who are the African women? Marco, come on, America. The African women, your Cameroonian women, them. Now who them where you look up to? Or your Cameroonian men, them, now who they you look up to? Right and for under here, I beg. I need for know those people who not they look up to. So that man know who they follow road and who they need follow road. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Au revoir.